I want to do a little experiment with your help. Now you're going to need a piece of paper and a pen, so if you need to, pause the lecture and go and grab them. Ready? The first thing I'd like you to draw for me is a pizza. So pause the lecture if you need to and draw me a pizza. So what did your pizza look like? Did it look like this? Now I want you to turn the paper over and draw me a picture of something else. And this time I'd like you to draw me a picture of integrity. So again, pause the lecture and draw me integrity. So did you find drawing integrity much harder than drawing a pizza? Whenever I do this exercise in workshops, I always notice that there are lots of furrowed brows around the room and people always take much longer to get something down on paper. The other thing I notice is that when I see their responses, there's always much more variety in the drawings than there are with the pizza, as these examples show. So why is it so much easier to draw a pizza than to draw integrity? Well, a pizza is a very concrete thing. You can experience it with all 5 of your senses. You can see it, taste it, smell it, touch it, even hear it as you bite into it. But you can't see, hear, taste, smell or touch integrity. And that's why when I ask people to draw integrity, they usually resort to producing a picture of an object that represents integrity. For example, a pillar, something that can actually be experienced through the senses. So what does this tell us about writing? Well, in my experience, a lot of business writing fails because it's incredibly abstract. And in the following lectures, I'm going to show you how to make your business writing much more persuasive by playing on your reader's senses.